我来告诉你为什么要选择燕蜜之家的燕窝。燕蜜之家的燕窝是采用纯手工精挑，没有经过任何的化学处理，所以它能保留燕窝最丰富的营养以及燕香味。燕蜜之家的手工精挑燕窝，每一片的发头都介于20倍左右，每一片都能煮出4碗，适合全家大小一起享用。其实燕窝不是奢侈品，它是每个人都能享用的天然保健品。
Hi, I'm Chef Eric Teo. I'm here to teach you how to prepare a simple bowl of bird nest. First, place a piece of bird nest in a bowl and fill with water. Soak this for 4 to 6 hours. After the bird nest has been soaked for 4 to 6 hours, place the ginseng, red date, and rock sugar into the bowl. And now place into the steamer. After 30 minutes is up, remove the bird nest from the steamer. Place the wolfberries into the bowl of bird nest. This is so simple to do. Now you can enjoy a good bowl of bird nest.